All right. Better. Okay. So, I'm motherfucking hungry. And my sister made this seafood boil for me. So, I'm out doing stuff, but I ain't ate. And it's like 3 o'clock. So, I just pulled over. And that was a horrible... But yeah, we about to do a Q&A, little mukbang type of situation, you know what I'm saying? I got my little ghetto homemade little bag or whatever. I got me a bottle of motherfucking water. I got me some butter sauce. I got me some motherfucking paper towel. And we here. I took my hoodie off because I don't want to spill nothing on me because I still gotta go and do shit. But yeah. We're just about to do like a little Q&A, some fun stuff, whatever. Well, I hope I don't spill no food on me. I gotta be real careful. Real careful. How you open this? I definitely should have did this at home, but I don't even care because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. All right. Okay. This shit making a mess already. Okay, so I got some questions on my phone. My phone down here. So, what is this? Okay, we got a sausage. Oh, I hope I don't make a mess. Give me a sausage. First question is, have you ever have you ever met someone famous? I met Aaliyah J at BeautyCon, New York, and I met Waka Flocka Flame like forever ago, like long ago. Oh shit. Oh, I'm about to clean that. This car gonna stink. I should got me a fork. I met Waka Flocka Flame like long ago. But yeah, I think that's it. That's all I can remember. Would you like to be famous? Hell yeah, I want to be famous. I just want to be famous so like when I go places, people recognize me. They be like, oh my god. And I'm like, oh my god. And like, we hug each other and like it's amazing because like they love me and I love them because they love me, and it's just like a good time. So yeah, I wouldn't mind being famous. I need to get to this butter sauce, but I'm so busy. Yeah. If you could change one thing that happened, what would it be? If I could change one thing that happened, I would change my major. I wouldn't have did criminal justice. I would have changed it to something like, I would have did like marketing or some shit like that. It would have definitely benefited me more. Well, I am making a mess. I am making such a mess. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? Well, right now, if I could live anywhere, it would be somewhere in California because I feel like that's the best place to start my career. But then again, I haven't been to California, so I might not like it because when I went to New York for BeautyCon, I was like, oh hell no, because you know when people start their little like careers and shit, everybody want to go to Atlanta, everybody want to go to New York and all that shit. Bitch, I do not like New York. So right now it's California, but I ain't been to California, so shit. Oh, I'm making a mess. Next question. Ooh. Have you ever been in the snow? I live in Michigan. Hell yeah, I've been in the snow. Who would be your ideal partner? I don't really know about a who would be. My ideal partner, though, is somebody that don't get on my fucking nerves, because that's hard to find. Somebody that don't get on my motherfucking nerves, that's not easy. Do you still have your childhood teddy bear? Yes. And I got a piggy bank from when I was a baby. My mama saved it for me. So messy. Favorite holiday? Beach, mountain, or city? Beach, for sure. Beach without a question. I've been wanting to get to a beach so motherfucking bad. Look, my hands is so messy. This is a mess. Do you like TV talent shows? I don't watch that shit. What's your opinion on reality TV shows? That should be fake. Only reality show that I watch is Baggers Club. If it's not Baggers Club, that shit boring. Do you like scary movies? Hell yeah. Did y'all see that? That shit on the fucking steering wheel. Have you ever fired a real gun? Hell yeah. Last film you watched? What is the last movie I watched? I don't watch movies. I sit on YouTube all day. You like roller coasters? Mid. I be scared as fuck. I get on them, but I be scared as fuck. It's boom. Running down my arm. The next question is, have you ever cried at a film? No. I cried on a show. Well, at a show. Grey's Anatomy. Girl. When George died, I was hurt. My shit died. That shit bold, ain't it? But I do need to wrap it up though. So this was a quick video, but I do need to wrap it up. So we're just gonna wrap it up.